Introducing our double filtration, Cyclone dust collector for woodworking, the ultimate solution to all your dust collection needs. This powerful and efficient Cyclone dust collector is designed to remove even the finest particles from the air, making it perfect for woodworking, projects, and more. Its unique double filtration system ensures that dust and debris are captured and filtered before they can enter your vacuum cleaner, improving their lifespan and reducing the risk of breakdowns. The Cyclone dust collector features a 50 mm 2 inches turbocharged filter. If your vacuum cleaner size is not 50 mm 2 inches, you can purchase additional connectors to connect them. It provides exceptional suction power and enhanced filtration capabilities. Thanks to its advanced design, the dust collector is also incredibly easy to install and use. Simply attach the filter to your shop vac or other collection system with the included flange, and it's ready to go. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, our Cyclone dust collector is the perfect addition to your workshop. Achieve 99.99% efficiency. To get this product, follow the product link in the description or search this product on AliExpress by using product code shown on the screen. Follow Product Hub online for more amazing products.